Hey guys, Victor from Master Pool, and today I want to talk to you guys about the importance of preparing a pool before we apply the new plastering. A lot of people know plastering as either Marcite or Diamond Bright, but those are just brands. Plastering is whatever is going to come on top of your pool. So in this case, in this specific pool, we're doing pebble tack. But the preparation is almost the same for every single material. So here's how it works. Once you have the pool emptied out, you need to break out the hollow spots. In a pool, it's very common after 15-20 years to have a lot of hollow spots. So we need to break those in order to prevent those from damaging the new plaster you're going to be applying. You also need to do the preparation. So here I want to show you guys. On this wall, it was very hollow, so remove everything, all the plaster that was here. In this part over here, we are already putting the bonding agent. A lot of companies use different ones, but this is the one we use. It's very important for whenever you're applying the plastering to put the bonding agent so the new plaster will stick to the wall and you won't have any problems of your Diamond Bright, Pebble Tack or whatever material you use chipping out or breaking out in the future. Stay cool, call Master Pool, we're here to serve you. As a... qual é o nome da outra?
Já tô gravando, tá a hora que você quiser.